Okay, boys and girls, welcome to music for week one of term 4, 2020. And hopefully, this is the last week that we have to do remote learning ever. So, looking forward to seeing you all face to face next week and seeing you in the music room. So, this week for music, I thought I'd show you this program called Chrome Music Lab. Now, your job is to have a muck around on the program, make a little song and send it to me. So I'm going to show you how to do one, and then hopefully you'll be able to follow the link to the program, get it up, have a go, and save me a song and send it to me in Teams. So here's how it works. Down this bottom section, you have little dots. Now this is where you put in your drum beat. So to add a drum beat, firstly, I'm going to click the first bar and the first beat of that bar. So that's over here, just above the play button. And I've just clicked, and you'll see that a little dot appears. That means that there's a bass drum on the first beat. Now this is the second part of the first beat, the second half of the first beat. I'm going to leave that empty. And then I'm going to click up here and put a snare on the second beat. Third beat, I'm going to put 2 bass drums and a snare. Now I move into the second bar. I'm going to change it in the second bar just to make it a bit different. Third bar, I might do the same as the first. And then in the last bar, I'm going to put a little drum roll. So let's have a listen to that. Notice it just loops, so the pattern keeps playing over and over. So now I'm going to get to the melody part. So this is the tune, and I'm going to change marimba. By just clicking on that, you'll see that you can scroll through till you get to synth, because I think the synth and the electronic drum kit go really well together. So I'm going to put something on the first beat. Now you've got high notes up here and low notes down there. So let's start somewhere in the middle, eh? And I'll put another one there. So I might go up from there. Then I might go down. And then I might go there. Let's see what that sounds like. Ooh, I think that's pretty cool. So I might repeat that in here. But I'll just change it a little at the end. I think that works. Now I'm going to leave a little gap so it's not just melody all the time. And then at the end I'm going to try this. So let's try this. And then I'll leave a little gap, and then hopefully this fits in with the drum fill that I've put in. That. But in this section, I'm going to put another note in. And And you might notice I'm leaving a gap. Let's have a listen to what this sounds like. I like that. So now I'm just going to muck around with the instruments and see if it sounds better if I use different instruments. So I'm going to try marimba and blocks. What about piano and kit? What about strings and conga? But my favourite, oh, what about these ones first? Woodwind and blocks. I definitely like the marimba with the blocks. Okay, so now I'm happy with my song. So I go over to this little tick here and click it, and that will save it. And now it says your song is saved at this link, and I could copy the link, I could send it to Facebook or Twitter, but this is what I want you to do, and that is download the wave. So click download wave. You'll notice down here that the song has downloaded to my downloads folder. So I'm going to go show in folder, click that, and there's my song. Now there's a whole lot of other stuff that I've downloaded. It's hard to find it when it's a whole lot of numbers. So what I'm going to do is just click and rename it. So I'm going to call it Mr. Swain's. Oops, what happened to it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, I'm going to do that again. Sorry, showing folder. There it is. Rename. Mr. Swain's song. And I've made a few of these, so let's call it number 5. Okay, so there we go. There's Mr. Swain's song 5. Just going to grab that now and pop it on the desktop so that I can find it in a hurry. So your job now is to make a song and download the wave, rename it, your name, and then send it to me through the Teams folder. And I look forward to hearing your songs, but I look more forward to seeing you all next week. Have fun and bon voyage.